Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our break OSC box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Panini Prime box break number 75. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is NE1909739441. That's NE1909739441. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the base card for the Wild, the Nicholas Backstrom, 84 and a 249. We have prime signatures of Sam Gagner for the Oilers. Is number 63 out of 99. We have a prime trios of Carl Hagelin, Chris Kreider, and Dan Girardi. 48 out of 100 for the Rangers. We have prime rookies for the Leafs of Ryan Hamilton, 243 out of 249. And we have a prime colors logo for the Canadiens of Andrei Markov, 15 out of 18. And the Dominion pack. We have a base card of Braden Holtby for the Capitals, 80 out of 125. And we have a pair of patches of Jordan Nolan. Nice patch. Auto 13 out of 40 for the Kings. A nice hit to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.